Today I will show you how to make the decals for Annie and Clarabel. So the basic you need is a printer, and you need a sticker photo paper and scissors. Now if you have access to the Cricut Explorer Air 1, 2 or 3, that will be better, but you can use the scissors as well. The first thing you gotta do is download or access the Cricut design space. Then you need to buy the files from customtrackmasters.com. Then you can click on the product. Once you buy the files, remember you need to download the files to your computer. Next step, upload the files to Cricut. Now here's something that you need to make sure. The size of this needs to be 2.9 centimeter height by 3.65 centimeters wide. You can adjust the size like this, but you need to click this lock, and then you can stretch it up or down, or just type the numbers. Like I say, it needs to be 2.9, so that's the example I have. So I'm going to click here, 2.9, enter, and then the width is 3.65 and hit enter. Well, that's the sticker file we need size for the Annie and Clarabel. Once you have your two files, you click on make it, and then it's gonna show you this page, and so this will be sent to your printer. Choose the printer you have, then hit send to printer, and you need to choose, let's say I have a HP photo printer. If you're using the Cricut then machine, then use the bleed. If you're gonna use the scissors, just add no bleed, and then print. Now once printed and cut with the Cricut machine or a plotter or a Silhouette, whatever software or design space you're using, I'm gonna add a coat of Mod Podge gloss to the decals, and that will be ready to go because the machine cuts the decals, and then we just peel and stick. Now if you don't have the Cricut machine, you can use scissors and cut around the decals. Of course, this is a sample, and this is what I used to do at the beginning before I knew about the Cricut machine. I used to cut the trim all the edge, and this is the way you should do it. So you don't have to use bleed on the decals. Of course, this one, as you can see, I'm just doing the demo purposes, how to do with scissors. Let's say you don't have the Cricut machine, that's okay. You just need the printer, you just need the sticker paper photo, and then you cut it like that. Use a knife or a sharp object, peel the decal. See, that's what I'm talking about. So that's the way I used to do it years ago before. So this is just a sample. So if you got the measurements right, as I told you, then you're gonna have the decals like this. Of course, you need to align in the center. I did a little bit offset, but it's working. So that's how you cut these decals with the scissors. Now with the Cricut machine, for those who know, this is already just pre-cut everything, and it's easy to go. Like I say, go to my website if you need to buy it. Files for Annie, already show you the dimensions for what you need the decals. So we are not sending a physical decals, it's only downloadable files.